Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression. 8 minus 6 then times 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 gives us 2. And again, here we have 8 minus 6, which equals 2. So 2 times 2, which equals 4. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. First, we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. Here in this expression, we have one subtraction, one multiplication, and one parenthesis. As I said, first we have to do parentheses, then this multiplication, and finally we have to do this subtraction. Okay. So first we have to do this parentheses. Inside this parentheses we have 8 minus 6, which equals 2. So we have 8 minus 6 then times 2. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So now we have to do this multiplication. 6 times 2, which equals 12. And 8 minus 12, which equals negative 4. So therefore, our final answer to this problem is just negative 4. The correct answer is negative 4.